Picture this. A rep gets a CRM ping about a warm lead, sends a one-pager that answers the prospect's exact worry, and the demo is booked before lunch. Another rep scrolls the same list and never hears back. Which of those two teams would you bet on? We're going to turn that luck into a repeatable playbook today. Welcome to Navigating AI with Apex Blue, the podcast where the AI C-suite helps you transform how you sell. Quick proof point before we dig in. A 12-person B2B vendor ran a one-pager nudge for stalled demo leads over 4 days and saw a 22% lift in demo scheduling. No heavy engineering, just targeted signals and better content. That's the scale we're after.
Pattern detected. And that pattern is repeatable if you map the right signals to the right content and coach at the moment of action. Let's optimize that. Think signals, content, coaching, and measurable wins in 30, 90, 180 days.
Totally. And when I say content, I mean short, testable fragments that sound human, not robot. We want your best rep in a sentence. That's creativity unlocked without chaos.
Quick note on reliability. If the automation suggests content, your API path, logging, and rollback plan need to be tight. Retries, idempotency, and audit trails. Otherwise, you amplify mistakes faster than wins.
Right.
If you're short on time, do a 10-minute CRM audit. Start by filtering open opportunities by stage and last contact date. Look for stale active deals. Then, sort by product interest or SKU to surface common intents.
Can you pause there for a sec?
Next, add lead source and first touch timestamp to see where higher quality leads originate. Check win rate by rep to find what works, and flag legal or compliance fields that could block automation. Those 5 checks give you a short list of signals worth automating.
Good point.
Now, on the creative side, build 3 modular fragments, a curiosity opener, a metric-led value line, and a micro CTA, short, specific, brand safe. Example, saw you looked at X, curious how you tackle Y? We cut Y by 30% for similar teams. 10 minutes for a quick walkthrough. Keep it under 2 sentences.
Turn those into parameterized fragments, variables for industry, product, recent activity, and primary KPI. That keeps voice consistent and ensures only authorized fields are swapped into messages.
I hear you on templates, but isn't there a risk this turns into robot speak and rep authenticity drops?
That's a fair friction. Mitigate it with human-in-the-loop gates, preview mode for reps, a short editing step, and constraints in the prompt that enforce personality and brevity. Also, log what the model produces so you can tune templates quickly.
Right! Preview and edit keeps the human voice intact.
2 practical architectures to choose from. First, a no-code flow using Zapier or Make with a managed LLM endpoint for quick wins. Second, a light code pattern. CRM webhooks, small middle layer, serverless function, model API, CRM writeback. The middle layer enforces PII minimization, rate limits, and fallback text.
Wait, quick example. Say we want to send a one-pager, only when a lead is stale active and interested in SKU A. How would that look?
Exactly. Your automation checks stage, SKU, and last contact. If matched, the webhook calls the middle layer, which redacts identifiers, calls the model for a one-pager fragment, runs a quick sanity check, and writes a draft back to the CRM for rep review. Flip a Boolean to enable sends once quality is validated.
Governance checklist for both patterns. Minimize PII. Mask customer IDs. Log prompts and outputs. Set manual override rules. And route low-confidence results to human review. Small businesses scale trust by starting conservative.
On confidence, don't trust a single score. Combine signals, semantic similarity to training examples, length penalty checks, and a simple hallucination detector that verifies claimed facts against your CRM. Compose a pass-fail gate.
Good point.
Testing plan. Run functional, quality, and safety tests in parallel. Functional covers latency and retry behavior. Quality uses human ratings and A/B tests comparing AI-assisted messages to control. Safety looks for PII leakage and tone drift. Track leading indicators. response rate, time to first reply, and demo conversion.
Start with a sandboxed webhook that logs inputs and outputs only, no sends. Validate quality for 3 days, then toggle live sends. That incremental approach avoids surprise failures.
Totally. Short pilots win. If I were a manager, I'd pick one sales motion and run a 1-week pilot with 2 reps.
And schedule weekly reviews with product, sales ops, and whoever owns compliance. Small A/B tests, not big bangs. Keep an escape hatch to stop automated sends if error rates spike.
Okay, hands on. Let's grab a list and move the needle this week. Here are 3 immediate actions. Action 1, creative. Write 3 outreach fragments, opener, metric line, micro CTA, put them in a shared doc, and A/B test with 2 reps for 4 days. Keep each message under 2 sentences and measure reply rate.
Action 2, data. Run the 10-minute CRM audit we discussed, export open deals, flag stale actives, and add a last contact column. That becomes your Phase 1 automation target. We'll host a checklist on the site.
Action 3, technical sanity. Create a sandbox webhook that logs prompts and model outputs only. Validate for 3 days before enabling live sends. Architecture in small steps avoids surprises.
Before we close, quick governance reminder. Mask or tokenize customer identifiers. Keep audit logs and require human review for low-confidence outputs. Small guardrails scale trust.
Exactly. Track leading indicators alongside revenue. Run short A/B tests and attribute changes before scaling. Clarity achieved.
Deploy thoughtfully, log everything, and iterate fast. Precision wins.
If you want the full playbook, templates, the CRM checklist, and a decision matrix for no-code versus light code, visit the Apex Blue site. Try one of the actions this week and track response rate and time to demo. Stay smart, stay curious, and stay ahead.